Understanding kicking someone to the curb, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase, kicking someone to the curb. This phrase is widely used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding its nuances can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's unravel its meaning, origin, and how to use it in conversation. Kicking someone to the curb means to dismiss, reject, or terminate someone from a position, relationship, or situation. It's a metaphorical expression that paints a vivid picture. Imagine someone being metaphorically kicked out onto the street, away from the security and comfort of a building. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from ending personal relationships to dismissing someone from a job. The phrase, kicking someone to the curb, is believed to have originated in the United States. It reflects the idea of removing something or someone unwanted, similar to placing garbage at the curb for collection. Over time, it evolved to signify the act of ending a relationship or employment in a somewhat abrupt or dismissive manner. When using kicking someone to the curb, it's important to understand its connotation. It suggests a lack of ceremony or consideration, often implying that the person being kicked to the curb is no longer valued or wanted. Here are a few examples of how it can be used in sentences. In a professional context, after the merger, the new management decided to kick several old team members to the curb. In a personal relationship, she finally kicked him to the curb after years of unhappiness. While kicking someone to the curb is a common phrase, it's crucial to use it with sensitivity. Its casual tone might not be appropriate in formal contexts or when addressing sensitive situations. Always consider your audience and the potential impact of your words. Understanding phrases like kicking someone to the curb can add depth and nuance to your English communication. It's a powerful expression that should be used judiciously, keeping in mind a context and the feelings of those involved. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase. Keep exploring the nuances of the English language with us, and see you in our next video.